Normally, if you look at trauma, they would either categorize in injury, accident, which can be concussion or a car accident or motor accidents. These are things that are normally considered to be trauma, right? That's why you have in hospitals a trauma unit, trauma care, trauma unit. But if you look from a psychological perspective, there is also trauma that comes from emotional responses to or events that have occurred in life.
Okay.
Now, usually how is that dealt with? Either with counseling, long-term counseling that goes on with it. Then came Peter Levin, who has done some seminal work in this field. When I say seminal, what I mean is he has explored areas of trauma that many of them did not look at, which means most of them looked at it from a psychological perspective, right? Trauma that's come out of soldiers who have gone into war zone, for example, who could have severe episodes of PTSD, which could be post-traumatic stress disorder. Will they have flashbacks? Those kind of events. So these are considered to be highly traumatic events that have occurred in life. Now, what Peter Levin did is he started to look at saying, is it only at a psychological level or is there a response of physiology happening there? Physiology means, does the body respond differently as well?
Okay.
So where is it registered? It's a pursuit of truth, looking at where the evidence lies, right? So he wrote a fantastic book after he did his seminal work, research work, and he came out with a book called Waking the Tiger. Now that's a book that if you are a trauma-informed caregiver, whether it is a medical professional or therapeutic level people or anyone who is in the field of counseling, I think absolutely is a must to read.